Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Toyota Sienna L. This, like most of our vans, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate. Very little to go wrong. You see the manual trunk latch there. This actually has our 43-inch wide ramp. So if you have a larger chair, if you're in the transport business, you're transporting bariatric chairs and folks, this is the ramp for you. This entire system can be operated using just 2 fingers. I've got to clamp this down, pull it out. Over here as well. I like this conversion a lot better than LeBron's, for example. It's got the clamps that keeps these ramps from rattling around as they get older. It's a real good design. It's got a couple handles on it. Spring assisted. And look here, as big as this ramp is, I can take it to the ground using only 1 finger. Spring assisted, very easy to do. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk, you can lift one of these ramps up and down with ease. Like I said, 43 inches wide of ramp space. It tapers off between the middle here. On the low end here has about 41 3/4 inches of space between those. So a lot of room for the bigger chairs. Got your spare tire there. 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 up front. This will allow up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or stretcher. And this is a brand new van, brand new from Toyota. Has the rear air controls there. You can see the miles are at 22 miles. Of course, everything's in perfect condition. Backup camera, dual climate control, has your rear air, so you can actually have 3 different climates going in here at one time. It's got all the goodies for all the hookups. These reading online, these come with Apple Play. When you got everybody secure, come back out. Again, look at that 1 finger. Put it all back up. Shut her down, and you're ready to roll. These are great for the cab companies out there. You know, if your competition can only carry 32-inch wide wheelchairs and you can carry 43, if you can get nearly another foot wide, not only do bariatrics pay better, you can have that customer base all to yourself. Very few people have these. Got the alloy wheels, tinted windows in the rear, keep you nice and cool in the summertime and give you privacy year round. Comes with all the owner's manuals, instruction books. Got the new car sticker on it right there. Has all these manuals in here. Comes with keyless entry, 2 keys, 2 fobs. Dual cup holders up front. Also got a slot here in the door you can put a cup in, so cup holders galore. Like I said, 2 keys, 2 fobs. I'm going to turn it on here real quick. Like I said, the miles are 22 miles. I am not going to take this out and drive it. It's a brand new vehicle. Backup camera. They pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 engine from Toyota. These come with a 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty from Toyota. No, the conversion does not affect that warranty. 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. This is an ATS conversion. That is a better warranty than Braun provides, better than many other big dealership, big manufacturers. 3 years unlimited miles. So if you're going to put 200,000 miles on this thing as a taxi, and drive the crap out of it, that warranty, that conversion is still warranted. We do have financing available. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You can look us up on eBay. Yesterday I saw we had 525 positive reviews and 0 negative reviews. Folks, that's 525 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. We've been in business for 8 years. I am the owner. You get to deal with the owner, not some salesman. We do have free shipping anywhere in the continental lower 48 states. So as far as pricing, I see these brand new Siennas all the time for $60,000, $70,000, $75,000. Try and compete with our prices. Try and compete with putting this van in your driveway. We do that for you. All you do is buy the van. We take care of the rest. So if you want to see any of our inventory, check us out 24 hours a day at mobility316.com. www.mobility316.com. If you ever want to come look at one of our vehicles, please always give me a call first. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. As always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.